Good morning, or good evening, or good afternoon. I hope you're doing great. I have a list of recommended books that I would love to share with you if you're wondering what kind of books you should read or start with. Probably this is just going to give you some glimpse of hope that you can put yourself on a track of good reading habit. So probably sharing this list is going to help you make or achieve some progress in your reading habit and your writing habit in English. And we know for sure that improvement in reading equals improvement in writing and speaking. The more you read, the better you become when it comes to writing and when it comes to speaking. I have a bulky one, and it takes probably some good patience to complete it. It's the War and Peace. It's one of the greatest classic books in the human literature by Leo Tolstoy. It's about war and peace, and it talks about so many stories. And there is a mini series on BBC I think you should watch before starting reading this book. I'm not going to go over all the details of these books because it takes days, to complete. But this is just a list of recommendations if you are in the intermediate and advanced level. I have another list for the beginners level, but I will dedicate another video to talk about that one. Animal Farm by George Orwell. It's a great book, and it's one of the classic books. Green Light by Matthew McCOnaughey, the famous American actor. He is the actor in the movie of Interstellar. So he has this book. It has been recently published. Mad Genius talks about how to master your job as an entrepreneur and to unleash your skills in the entrepreneurship. Next is Notes on a Nervous Planet by Matt Haig. Great recommendation. Incognito by David Eagleman. He talks about the subconscious skills that you have as a human being. It talks about the inner skills, the mind, the brain itself, and how it functions, and it illuminates a lot of these aspects in multiple books. So he has these two books, The Brain and Incognito. I highly recommend them. Die Empty. It's to unleash everything you can before you get to that point, by Todd Henry. Abhihit Banerjee. He's a Nobel Prize winner in economics. He wrote this book, Good Economics for Hard Times. It definitely deserves some attention and good reading. So this list of books that I have for you, probably to get us started with this week or this month. They are available in Mutanabi in Iraq. I don't know about other countries, but I highly definitely recommend them. So if you're interested, get started and start reading one of them. Have a wonderful day.